If you're watching this video right now, you can enter for your chance to win our first ever YouTube build. Probably the cleanest, one of the best cars that we've ever built here. Our 2000 Civic Si with a k24 swap. In this video, I'm kind of just gonna go over the whole car with you guys. And if you guys wanna see the full build specs and from start to finish, there's a playlist on this car you can go back and watch. And there will be a montage at the end of this video showing basically the glamour shots of the car, pretty much everything we've done. And keep in mind that underneath of this car looks just as good as the outside. Everything about this car just is simply amazing. I'm with the guys here today. We're just gonna simply just go over the full car with you guys, show you guys all the detail, the amount of money, the labor hours are just insane on this car. So you can enter to win this car right now. I will put the link in the description for you guys to enter to win. And then you guys can go to our website. If you guys have any questions, shoot me a message on Instagram, Facebook. I will show you guys the car now and then pretty much just go over it. Like I said, if you guys have any questions, either try to drop a comment, I will get back to you guys, or shoot me a message on Instagram. And also there's an email on the website you can reach us. So let's get this started.
I'm excited.
Your face.
My favorite car, honestly.
Honestly, it's a sad day, but we have no use for the car here. We pretty much built it for the channel. And we would love for one of you guys to win it. That way someone can really enjoy it, take it to car shows. This car deserves to be seen. And you always say that we should have took this car to SEMA or...
I honestly hope somebody on the channel actually wins this car. I think that would be pretty dope because they've been there throughout the whole thing with us, so...
They're pretty dope.
Yeah,
I agree. Attention to detail.
This honestly, this car right here, we built a lot of cars over the years, but this car right here, I feel like is one of the top cars that we built. Like, not, you know, obviously not compared to the race cars, but this car alone is just like something else. Look at the quality of the paint. I feel like this is probably the best paint job we've ever got on any car.
It is. This is literally the best paint job we've got. I won't bore you guys too much talking. I just want to show you guys the car. So we're going to start with the body first, and then I'll get into the engine, interior, trunk. The underneath of the car will be in the montage. The underneath of the car is super clean. We Raptor liner the whole thing. Gas tank is pretty much brand new. The filler neck is zinced, like every nut and bolt, all the hardware is zinc plated. So, well, it's nickel plated. But check out the bodywork.
So it's original Milano Red R81 from Florida.
Front Florida car. Yes.
So this car started off like, yeah, it might have looked rough in the videos, but this car started off like a solid car. There's no rust at all on this car. Original quarter panel, there's no bond on the quarter panel. Even on the body work, when Sam first did the body work on this car, he had a PDR guy come out. It has very small dings here and there, but he had the PDR guy pull out all the dents out of the car, and there's little to no bondo on this car at all. Probably no bondo at all, just small, you know, glaze here and there. But the body's super clean. Like, put the camera down the side of the car. There's not a single wave. There's no imperfections in the body at all.
And the best part about it, the whole car is ceramic coated. Every single molding is brand new. Rear window, quarter panel, roof ones, all the door ones are all brand new. I'm gonna be sad that the car's leaving, but I'm also gonna be happy that one of you guys get to win this car.
Did you tell them the website?
East Coast, www.eastcoastimport.com, baby.
Make sure you head over there and grab some merch and you automatically enter.
We worked on the merch this time. We have t-shirts, lanyards, key tags, you name it, everything on the website.
But let's get into this car because that's what this video is about. K24 has a 6-speed transmission, RBC, S2000 alternator, water pump kit, tucked radiator. You see any wires in that bag? Because I don't.
Nope, just injectors, that's it.
Look how clean this is.
I feel like when this car leaves, it's like a piece of my heart is leaving with it. This car is like, it's so important to us. It's like a flagship build almost, because not only is this like one of the highest quality paint jobs we ever had on the car, but this is brand new bolts throughout the entire car, front to back, inside and out, top to bottom. It's just, we went above and beyond. We set our own bar with this car, honestly.
Everything is brand new, like brand new. Front lip.
The videos honestly don't do justice for this car.
Brand new CTR headlights. Look at all the hardware and everything is brand new. And even better, that the interior is just as good. CTR OEM door panels, DC2 Recaro seats, the harness bar, Sparco seat belts, hybrid racing shift box, Momo steering wheel. This thing is just brand new. It's too good. My favorite part about the interior, right there. Let me turn the light on. J-Rock's cover.
And the best part is, people might think it doesn't have a radio, but it actually has a ghost box.
I'll show them the trunk. The trunk is super, super clean. I want to show you guys something. Original VIN tag. Original VIN tag.
You ready for this?
Yeah, that thing is nice.
Thanks to this guy over here.
Attention to detail.
Some of you guys that don't know, these Civics come black inside the trunk. I mean,
They're gray, and this one's black.
I dyed it all black. Detailed. Baby.
And the whole inside of the trunk is painted. And look underneath of the car. Everything is pretty much, well, everything is brand new. Can't believe he put that super, I think the exhaust was like $800 to $1,000 catback exhaust, Tanabe Hyper medallion, brand new control arms, literally everything brand new. Steel braided brake lines, like 5-lug conversion, TE37s.
At the end of the day, we're building with the best parts so we can give you guys the best.
I'm gonna be sad.
Right? There's not a single non-name brand part on this car.
Yeah.
What do you guys think? Drop in the comments what you guys think. Like I said, if you guys want to enter to win this car, head over to our website. You can get entered to win. I think it's only running till from February 17th till
March 6th.
March 6th. So
Short time.
that is a short time period. All right. I'm gonna get into the montage. Like I said, if you guys have any questions, shoot me a message or shoot the website an email. I will drop the link to enter in the description. You guys can enter to win.
So like you said, pretty much you just click on the website, you head over to the website, anything you buy on the website will get you entered into the car. Doesn't matter what you buy, it could be a $5 item, $10 item, you'll be able to get entered for the car. Next to each item, it'll tell you how many spots you'll be able to get. So, and then when you check out, it'll give you a total amount of spots for however much you purchase. So,
And the best part is, I'm going live to pick the winner. There's no third party company picking the winner for us. I'm gonna physically go live to pick the winner of this car on a live feed so you guys can go check it out.
You're going live on YouTube too, right?
Yes, I'm gonna go live on all platforms. I'm gonna go live on YouTube, I'm gonna go live on my Instagram and Facebook. We are gonna pick the winner live, a lot different than anyone else has done. So I'm personally gonna go live so you guys can check it out. We can all get on a live feed together. You guys can leave your comments. It'll be pretty dope.
Sounds like a party to me.
and before you go live, obviously there'll be a list. You guys will be able to go check out the list, what number you guys fall on the list. That we got to make sure you guys are on the list.
Yeah, so that way you guys can see, everyone will see how many people are on the list, you can see your numbers, and then we're gonna pick a winner like that on the live feed. I'm gonna drop the montage. Hope you guys like the car. This is our first YouTube build ever. If you haven't got yourself entered for your chance to win our K24 EM1, the link is in the description right now. Go get yourself something off our website, www.eastcoastimport.com. Get yourself entered for our EM1.